Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 15 is the perimeter of a triangle. It says the perimeter of the triangle shown in the diagram is 150 inches. What is the length of each of the sides? So to find the perimeter, I'm going to add each side together and set that equal to 150 inches and solve the equation. So I have x plus 3x plus 5 plus 5x minus 8, and that's going to be equal to 150 inches. Now I'm going to combine like terms. X plus 3x plus 5x will be 9x, and 5 minus 8 is negative 3. That's equal to 150. And now I just have a two-step. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. I would get 9x equals 153, and I'll divide both sides by 9 and find out that x equals 17. So I know that one of my sides is 17. To find the other two sides, I'm going to substitute 17 for x. So 3 times 17 plus 5, if I punch that into a calculator, I will find out that that side is 56. And if I have 5 times 17 minus 8 and punch that into a calculator, I find out that that side is 77. And so the lengths of the three sides will be 17, 56, and 77.